Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, it's going to be a summer clothing haul. So if you love hauls and if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. Anyway, so I have all my clothes right here. So pagbigyan yung kalat kasi wala akong ibang paglalagyan yan. Anyway, I'll be doing this by brand. So I'll just get on to the haul. So first up is this dress. It's from Old Navy. It's just this long sleeve chiffon dress. It cuts right above the knee. So ayan, medyo short siya. And what I like about it is sobrang flowy niya na ang perfect niya for summer even if it's black. Kasi kahit na long sleeve siya, ang presko niya lang gamitin. So my struggle is when buying in American stores, pag dress, kahit na extra small na yan, ang haba pa rin niya sa akin. And this one, sobrang it cuts right above my knee. I super duper love those cuts kasi it elongates my legs. Pag maiksi kasi, mas nahahabaan niya yung legs mo lalo. Sobrang liit ko. So yeah, that's what I like about this dress. I also got some workout tops from them kasi summer na, so mas gusto ko mag-sleeveless naman. So I got this one. What's nice about them is, ito yung mga tops na ginagamit ko pag nagsistrength lang ako kasi it's padded na. Ang press ko niya lang din. This one is just like plain black. Tapos, ayan, may mesh siya sa sides, pang details lang. Tapos, it's racer back. Super, I love this one kasi it gives me medium support na kahit na I jog, I try to do a little cardio pa rin when I do strength training. So, yung mga light na jog lang, kaya na siya. And then, I also got these two tops na workout tops din, pero mas maarte. Kasi, medyo Lululemon yung vibe niya. That's why I like them. And super mas cheaper siya. I got them from Old Navy lang nga. So, it also comes with a parang sports bra na inside. Yung front niya, parang normal lang. Ayan, na tank top, ganyan, flowy. Pero yung back niya, open back lang siya, ganyan. So, may onting peep ng skin. And then, I also got it in this blue color with a printed bra naman. So, again, tank top in the front, tapos party at the back. So, that's everything that I got from Old Navy. Next up is Hollister. So from Hollister, I just got this pair of denim shorts kasi a lot of the items that I brought here is pang winter. So from the Philippines, naiwan ko lahat ng shorts ko sa Philippines. So I needed to purchase new shorts din kasi nag-iba din yung waistline ko dito. Oo, tumaba na po ako. Ayan, so it's just this high-waisted shorts from Hollister. So, size 1. Size 1, kailangan mention. What I like about it is meron lang siyang crochet detailing dyan. Tapos distressed yung bottoms niya. Super love Hollister jeans kasi it's good quality and super comfy. Okay, next up is this local designer from the Philippines. Her name is Annika. So I ordered this from the Philippines. Medyo mahal lang yung shipping. $50 siya. But the quality is so good and ang ganda ng mga designs niya. Tapos sobrang unique. I purchased a couple of items lang din. So first up is this dress. So it's Celeste. It's in mint blue. I'm not sure if it's showing sa camera. So I think sa camera medyo siya medyo ma-white, pero it's mint blue. Tapos ang ganda nung material niya. I'm not sure what the material is called, pero ayan. Tapos what's nice about it is pwedeng kung ayaw mo nung masyadong mababa sa chest, ayan, pwede mo siyang gawing high neck, reversible siya. Super nice. And then I also got this top. It's called the Craig tube top. So tube lang siya, ganyan. Tapos merong detailing sa front na parang panyo, sabi nga nung lola ko. Pero what I like about this top, sobrang ayoko ng tube kasi uncomfortable siya for me. Feeling mo, ay, mahuhulog siyang ganon. Pero this one hindi. Never ako natakot na mahulog siya. This one naman is the Jules top. This one, nung una, sobrang iffy ako to wear it kasi mababa siya sa sides. So may side boob effect siya. So, medyo natatakot ako. Pero nung sinuot ko na siya, oh my gosh, sobrang comfortable niya. Never ako nagka-feeling na magkakaroon ako ng nip slip. As in, pag gumanon ka, hindi siya bumababa. Ang galing. Pero yun nga lang, you have to wear either a tube under it or if gusto mong hubadera, nip tape. Pero sobrang comfortable niya. Don't be deceived na parang, ay, ang hubadera niyan. Sobrang no. Ang ganda niya tignan. Tapos sobrang comfortable niya. Also from Annika is this top. So this one is the Eevee Cami. So parang yung usual mo na cami, pina-upgrade niya. Yung strings, pwede mo siya ipa-X dito, tapos may ribbon, ayan o, may hole siya. Or you can wear it na parang cami lang din, tapos nasa likod yung strings niya. Next up is Forever 21. I know, every time na lang, sasabihin ko, I'm not gonna shop na at Forever 21 kasi ang bilis naman masira, it's really fast fashion. So, hindi talaga siya tatagal sa closet ko. Pero ang mura niya kasi sobra. When I went there, napadaan lang ako nung nasa Greenville kami. Girl, additional 50% off yung clearance niya. So, everything that I got here is additional 50% off. So, yun. Usually, what I get from them is yung mga, hindi staples sa wardrobe ko. Yung, kumbaga, uso lang. Kasi mura nga siya. So, hindi naman ako bibili ng uso lang na mahal kasi I won't get the most use out of it. So, that's when I gravitate towards Forever 21. So, first is this romper. So, it's just this plain romper. No, plain ba yan, ate? Just this tube romper. So, ang ganda niya kasi it's medyo, ano bang tawag sa material na to? Medyo sheer yung likod niya. Pero yung harap niya, of course, may lining naman. Pero ang press ko niya kasi gamitin, sobrang perfect for summer. And then it cinches at the waist. So, para merong, kahit romper ka, usually kasi pag romper, parang garterized lang yan, diba? Nagsicinch siya sa waist. So, nagkakaroon siya ng shape yung katawan mo. I usually pair this with flip-flops and a bag. Tapos, I'm good na. Parang, it's so effortless. That's what I like about rompers. Kahit effortless na, sinuot mo lang siya, hindi mo na kailangan i-match. Tapos, pag tinignan mo, parang ang ganda pa rin niya tignan kasi mukha kang dressed up. I've super been looking for a skirt like this one. So, yung button-down na skirt. I got one from Romwe before, pero ang pangit ng fit niya. Tapos, hindi pantay kasi Romwe nga yun. Ang cheap niya, pero alam mo na cheap siya. Anyway, this one is like denim lang na white skirt. In fairness, for Forever 21, maganda yung quality niya. Makapal yung pagka-denim niya na kahit white siya, my underwear doesn't bleed through. Then, I just got this plain blue navy top na I feel like I can dress up or dress down. If paired with the right accessories like this one, I wore it with this one. So, this is what I thought of. Parang pag nag-accessorize ako, pwede ko na siya i-dress up. This shorts, sobrang tagal na nito sa akin. Sa Marshalls pa yata, pasalubong pa sa akin last year ni ate. Tapos parang ako, lagi ko siya sinusuot. Sayang naman, baka masira. Nakahanap ako sa Forever 21 ng similar. Not too kapareho, pero similar. So, medyo crochet din siya. As in, I wore this a bajillion times already. And super comfy, nakakagalaw ako. Tapos, mukha naman siyang dressy yung, kasi dahil dun sa pagka-crochet niya. Hindi naman siya mukhang table mat. And then, lastly, from Forever 21, I got this top. Medyo conservative tayo, pero oo. Ayan. Again, for school, I can layer it with a blazer lang, ganyan. Or pag for summer naman, pwede tank top lang siya. So now, Route 21. Super love these types of shorts. Yung parang tela lang. So I got this one from Route 21. It just has this like parang embroidery detailing over here. And what I love about these type of shorts is for summer, sobrang pwede mo siyang ipatong lang sa beach. Kasi pag denim yung suot ko sa beach, parang ang yucky ng feeling niya after ko mag-swim. So what I like is yung mga gantong tela. Kasi pag sinuot mo siya, it dries fast. Nababasa siya, pero mabilis din siyang matuyo. So dun siya perfect. So I also got this one. This one naman is from Abercrombie. So same material, yung parang malambot lang siya na tela, pero if you dress it up with the right top, pwede mo siyang suotin when you go to the mall. And it's super duper comfy, lalo na 100 degrees na yung weather ngayon. Sobrang yung mga shorts ko, puro ganon, yung tela talaga. From Forever 21, I just got this basic bikini bottom. So, hindi ko na syempre itatry ito. So, it's just your plain basic black bikini bottom. Kasi nga naiwan ko yung sa akin sa Philippines, even may mga swimsuits. Naiwan ko silang lahat. Hindi ko naisip na, nung nag-pack ako, hindi ko naisip na, ay, nga, may summer din naman doon, diba? Kahit winter ngayon. Bikinis are from Target naman. So, I got this one, this bikini top. So, it's just this triangle top. Usually, pag triangle, feeling mo, walang support, diba? Ito, sobrang feel ko, secured na secured yung chest ko. So, ayan. So, it just has this mga seashells. Tapos, it goes crisscross at the back. I also got this top. This top is from the brand Shade and Shore from Target. So, nung pinakita ko to sa dad ko, sabi niya, Lily ba yan? Mukha siyang Lily Pulitzer, no? Ayan, bando lang siya with a cut out in the middle. And this is what the back looks like. Ayan. Tapos meron siyang detachable straps if ever. Pero I like it as a bando. So to pair with this, actually ito yung nauna kong bilhin. This bikini bottom. Sobrang bright! Pero I loved it kasi tignan mo yung details niya sa harap. Parang crochet. Tapos side ties with tassels. Ang cute niya lang, diba? It's also from the brand Shade and Shore. Sobrang I've been looking for a perfect one-piece swimsuit kasi nagbumili na ako noon. Pero for some reasons, one piece talaga, it doesn't work for me kasi maiksi yung torso ko, tapos maiksi din yung legs ko. So, it really shrinks me down. That's why I like bikinis kasi medyo na-elongate niya yung katawan ko. But, when I saw this one, so I couldn't pass it up. It's so cute. It's like your typical na oldie, mga sinaunang swimsuit. As in plain na swimsuit. And then, it's by Calvin Klein. So, ayan, as you can see, may Calvin sa side. It's really just a plain swimsuit. But I love the color kasi and the design. Tapos, super comfy siya. While we were at the outlets, Oakley was having a friends and family sale. So, they gave us 30% off. So, I thought, why not? Since wala din naman akong mga sunglasses dito. And sobrang na-addict ako sa frog skins. Ito yung una kong pair. It's this one. So, printed siya. Tapos, ganyan. Sobrang love ko siya kasi kahit sobrang init, sobrang lightweight niya, na feeling ko wala akong suot. I love my Ray-Bans and all, pero there comes a time na pag sobrang tagal ko na siya suot, nafe-feel ko na siya dito na nangangalay. Ito kahit whole day kong suot, never. Sobrang gaan niya. Tapos, ang cute naman niya, 'di ba? So, I picked up 2 more. So, I got a plain white one. Sobrang love ko kasi yung mga white na sunnies din. I mean, kasi bumabagay siya sa lahat. Tapos feeling ko kahit ang sporty ng Oakley, napapagirly siya dahil white. And then, lastly, I got this one. This blue one. Basically, the reason why I got this is cause sobrang matchy siya, diba? So, yun. Nagustuhan ko lang siya. So that's everything that I got for summer. I actually ordered some more pieces from Anika. They're coming in when my sister arrives. I'm not sure when pa, but I'll be sure to do another clothing haul. If you like this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!